Learn how to clean your .45 pistol like a pro in just 5 minutes. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to properly clean and maintain your homemade .45 pistol. From disassembling to reassembling, we'll cover all the essential tips and tricks to get the job done efficiently. Watch until the end to ensure your pistol is in top condition and ready for its next use. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, this video is perfect for anyone looking to keep their firearm in pristine condition. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and clean that .45 pistol like a pro. Cleaning your homemade .45 pistol doesn't have to be a chore. In just 5 minutes, you can make it look and perform like new. First, gather your supplies: a cleaning kit, some gun oil, a soft cloth, and a brush. Make sure your pistol is unloaded and the magazine is removed before you start. Safety first. Begin by disassembling your pistol according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remove the slide and barrel, setting them aside. This step allows you to access all the nooks and crannies that need attention. Next, take your brush and start scrubbing the barrel. Remove any residue or buildup. Follow this up with a patch soaked in cleaning solution to ensure it's spotless. Now, move on to the frame and slide. Wipe them down with a soft cloth, making sure to get into all the crevices. A clean gun is a happy gun. Once everything is clean, apply a thin layer of gun oil to the metal parts. This will help prevent rust and keep your pistol in top condition. Reassemble your pistol, check for proper function, and you're done. It's that simple to clean your .45 like a pro in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.